So here's one to help students understand the behavior of 1 over x, and I have two visualizations here. In the first one, you can let x go to infinity or negative infinity, or you can approach 0 from either side. So you have to choose down here which you want to do. So let's take a look at each one of those. And as we move x, we're just seeing what happens to 1 over x here. So if we approach infinity, you can see as we plug in x, you're dividing by a larger and larger number, so the fraction gets smaller and smaller and smaller. If you do the same thing but go towards negative infinity, so with this one here, I was starting at 1, and I'm not allowing the point to go to the left here. So if we approach negative infinity, I start at -1, and it's the same thing. In absolute value, it's getting really small, but since x is negative, all of the numbers are negative. And then you can approach 0 from either side. So if we try that, I have us starting here at 0.01, and we head towards 0 from the right. I don't allow the point to go past 0. And you can see that as you divide by a smaller and smaller number, the fraction gets larger and larger and larger. And then you can approach from the left as well. So I start at -0.01. We head in towards 0. And it's the same thing, but again, all the numbers are negative. So then down here you can see the whole story at once by looking at the plot of 1 over x, and you can just simply drag the red point. And so as you move x, you can see what happens to y.